Jared Simpson here with MarineMax Boston, and today we're aboard a 2025 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. On the stern, we have a pair of V12 Mercury 600 horsepower outboards. That also includes joystick piloting for easy maneuvering around the docks. We have a nice stern seat here, aft-facing stern seat. It also converts into a table. We also have a recessed seat here in the transom wall, and behind that is our live well. Moving forward, we ordered this boat with the option black frame and the Abaco blue underside of the hardtop color. It's a nice retractable sunshade that's hidden here in the hardtop as well. Triple helm seats, two 16-inch Simrad MFDs, open array radar, fish finder. Boat is very well equipped. Down below, there's sleeping for two. Also an enclosed head compartment on the starboard side. Moving forward, tons of bow seating, fold down armrests, high-low table that converts into a sun pad, flip up backrest for passengers that want to face forward. This boat just came in and it's readily available. If you'd like more information, please contact us 781-727-0629.